my name is Lisa. Welcome to my channel. Are you looking for boxes that are a little bit different, that maybe have beauty products and skincare and makeup that are all natural, vegan, organic, etc.? Then you should check out Kinder Box. I have my Kinder Box here for the month of August, and I'm going to open it up for you. But before I do, Kinder is a monthly subscription box. You can pay $25 month to month and cancel anytime. I chose a 6-month subscription, which normally goes for $23 a month for 6 months. I received in an email a coupon code, so I got my box for $19 a month for 6 months, plus a $75 skin cream item as an extra add-on, which I got for my first box. So this is my third video I'm doing on Kinder. This is my third box, obviously, and I hope you enjoy it. If you do enjoy my videos, take the time right now and hit that red subscribe button. It would really let me know that you want to see more videos from my channel or like my content. But it is free to subscribe to the House of Jane. So take the time, hit the like button, and please hit that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me. So I just opened the box, and every month they give you a product card that describes every item you receive plus the retail value of each item. Let's start with the first item, which I am wearing right now on my lips. It's called Lip Love. It's in the color Mahogany, and this retails for $12 for this lip gloss. So the lip gloss is a little bit on the orangey shot side. See that? But I like it. I can pull off orange a little bit. I probably would mix it with another color, maybe more of a pink or a red, but let's try it on. Awkward moment here. It goes on nice. It doesn't have an odor, and I think this would be good for all skin types, especially if you have a nice tan in the summer. I think me in the middle of winter when I'm kind of pale, I don't know this color. I can't rock it. I don't think I can get away with it. But $12, nice lip gloss. And then the second item is this royal blue eyeliner. It is by, who's it by? Purity Cosmetics, 100% pure. It retails for $26. I am also wearing this today on my eyes. I don't know if you can see it. I don't even know where I'm looking in the camera really, but I liked how it went on when I applied it. I didn't have to tug at my skin. It was very smooth, and hey, I can get away with wearing a nice blue, and I think most people can as well. The only thing about this, it is a wooden pencil. So I don't know about you, but sometimes when I'm trying to sharpen a wooden pencil, I get little wooden, slithers and pieces. So probably when I sharpen this for the first time, I'll probably stick it in the refrigerator for an hour, then sharpen it, because I hear if you do that, it's easier to sharpen, eyeliner pencil, lip liner pencils, and stuff like that. So happy with this. Second product I'm happy with in this box. Oops. Then we go on to a oil, which are very popular these days. This is by Earth Harbor, which in my last Kinder box, in my video, you can go check it out. I unboxed their Mermaid milk cream, which I love. It's an all-purpose cream. It makes my skin feel really soft and smooth, and I just love it. The packaging was adorable too. So I'm excited to try this cream. It says it's a biome brightening ampoule. Must be French. Excuse my French. But I received a bottle that's full, practically full to the top. And it's non-toxic, cruelty-free, vegan, no synthetics, no gluten, no soy, no GMOs, and it's made by a woman-owned fair trade company. So, hey, yay, I love supporting women-owned businesses, and this is supposed to give me some dewy, glowy skin. I'm very excited to try this, and it's by Earth Harbor, if I didn't mention that already. It's $38. I probably would never spend 38 bucks on a glow product, but in the subscription box, which I only paid 19 bucks for, I get this. So, good deal. Good deal for me. Good deal for you if you get it. The next item is by Zion Health. It is a scalp and hair scrub, and it's a generous 4 ounces. This retails for $19.99, so $20. It's in the fragrance of pear blossom. And you're supposed to like scrub it into your scalp, take it down to your ends, and then rinse it out. And it says you apply it to clean, wet, or damp scalp and hair. So I guess if it's clean, it shouldn't be dry. I don't know if it really matters. But, so it's one of those things you apply. It doesn't say how long to leave it in. I'd probably maybe leave it in for a few minutes. So you just do it in the shower because you don't want to get out of the shower and then go back in and rinse it off. That's always a pain. So do it first thing you get in the shower. I'm interested in trying that. So yeah, $20. And then the last item I got in the box is one of those face masks. This is by Wan of San Francisco. It's a green tech anti-oxidation mask valued at $26. Yowza! I would never pay $26 for a face mask. To me, that's really expensive, especially a one-time use mask, but I'm very interested in trying it. Another advantage of getting a subscription box. Normally, would you pay $26 for a face mask? Probably not. So I am excited about this box. They offered this month 2 separate boxes. I didn't care which box I received. I just didn't want to get into some of the drama I saw on Facebook, like, I don't want that box, I want this box. I'm not like that. I was just happy to receive the products. They look like they're going to be wonderful for my skin. So, what did you think? I think you should get this box, especially if you ask them for a discount code. If you can get it for 19 bucks or less per month for a 6-month subscription and you can afford it right now, it's a really good thing to try. So I have 3 more boxes coming, and then I'm going to make the decision whether to keep or maybe stop it for a little while, because I am getting quite a few products and I want to use them. I do use them, but it takes time. So anyway, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. It would mean the world to me because I love you guys. You're my faithful and loyal subscribers, and I love your comments, so please comment below too. I answer every single one of them, and I enjoy interacting with you all. So have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.